introduce the new member of the show. I want you to meet Mr. Robot. Hello, my name is Mr. Robot, and I never built a volcano. But I do like science anyway. And I do like building volcanoes too. They're my favorite thing to do.
Jesus, her name is Jimmy. Okay, and
we're gonna paint the volcano.
Yeah, we're going to
We're
paint the
gonna need to
volcano.
take off the rubber band.
Yeah, take my dogs. I'm gonna do it for you. Aaron, help me.
Okay. Mr. Robot, you stay right here sitting.
This is how our volcano turned out. Look, guys, it has a little hole. Let me touch it.
Like a volcano does. It's shaped like one.
That's what you make. You make like light red. Weird. I'm gonna make light red.
Hi. Hello. What do you call a dog ghost that's named the same name ghost?
I love that joke.
Same name joke.
Wait a minute. Should we talk about the project?
What project?
That project. Remember Evan and I made it.
Project. With up? What do you call it? With holes in with lava. A lava sponge.
No, I call it a sponge volcano.
You call it a dog that's named Doom. A dog Doom. Get it? A dog do?
Oh my god, that was funny. Hey guys, let's go to the volcano place. Come with us.
What do you call
A skunk and a helicopter.
a smelly cop? Smelly cop. A smelly cop. And see you on our next video. Don't you mean ready for video? Get it? For video? Because we